personalize it, it's out of the respect that I have for you. You work hard and you voice loudly your commitment to unity and the critical path to that unity in Nigeria. You never advocated a division or breakup of our country. You follow history. You respect the country. You demonstrated your background as a lawyer to follow constitutional democracy. All your advocacy is about sharing of a cake that we bake together. That if we say, and they want us to believe that Nigeria belongs to all of us, then every little child growing up today that will be adult tomorrow must have expectation and opportunity to lead the country at a time. That's my interpretation of what you have been saying. You rally the governors together. I was a very good colleague of one of your idols here, Peterobi, was my colleague. I was a governor when I was a governor. We fought for constitutional democracy together. But I think he has too many barracuda fish and he refused to swim on, but handed over to you. It's a good thing that he had a successor. You had many philosophers, and one keenly that I respect is one David Matthew saying, no matter how many skyscrapers you build, no matter how many brick and mortars you put around the street, if you have not built other human beings that can succeed, you have not achieved. I say Odili has achieved, he left you behind. For us, we are here to campaign on the terrain and philosophy that you brought about when we left office. You came to the South, rallied the governors, and say, please, it's not a fight, it's not a quarrelsome idea, it's not abusive. You just say, please, let power shift to the South. Let's start to rotate. And in making that request, I would not say even demand, in making it a request, you didn't insult anybody. You follow the path of democracy, the path that's a constitutional democracy is a path of freedom and ability to speak your mind at any given time. You spoke your mind. You spoke your principle. You stayed with it. We appreciate it. And pick it up. We belong to different parties. You are a PDP sometimes, I believe. I am in APC. Regularly up till now. But one, there's a chameleon will change its color, but leopard will not. Why? Leopard stay with the same color. I am a leopard. A man of same party. Promise keepers. A word of character. A whole word that you can depend on. I don't know about your party. I don't know where they belong again. So today, I don't want to abuse anybody. I don't want to campaign here. I want to tell the truth. It's because of your character, your belief, your faith, your consistency, that when we came to campaign in Port Harcourt, we must pay you a courtesy call. Who you are and for what you are, for what you believe. I'm running to be a beneficiary of that philosophy and that single principle that you believe that the power must shift. I am from Lagos, like a Goshen city boy, trying to become president of Federal Republic of Nigeria. And that is why we are here. Thank you very much. God bless you.